Hey guys, welcome to the break. It's 12:15 a.m. on the 13th of March. It's a Thursday. And we're doing a 2-box 2013 Topps Magic break. I wish you guys all good luck and let's get started. As you can see, this is what's left of that 12-box case, the full case. So we got 2 boxes to do today. I guess we'll work with the top 2 here. So you know, they are, like I say, factory sealed hobby boxes. Number?
Mm-hmm.
Good. One more. Okay. Alright guys, good luck. Let's see what we can do. There's a minimum of 3 autographs in each box. Pull more than that. I know that. I just do. To everybody that's returning from previous breaks, thank you. And anybody new, welcome. All right, let's go. Yeah. Okay, we got Barner, Panthers, rookie. Buckner, Cardinals, rookie. Barkley, Eagles, rookie. Joe Green, Steelers. Got a mini black border, Kenny Britt, Titans. Always, but it never fails with the dog to bark now. Lynch, Seahawks. You guys should know that though already. Miller, Steelers. And Warren Moon for the Titans. First pack of the first box of this 2-box break. Let's go. Wow. Giving me problems already. Alright, we have Rodgers, Colts, rookie. McFadden, Raiders. E.J. Manuel, Bills, rookie. Cameron, Browns. Got a mini Bailey, Rams, rookie. There with the minis. Johnson, Bills. LaShore, Lions, and Gibbons for the Rams. Keep going. Got a Woods for the Bills, rookie card. We got Smith for the Vikings, rookie. Scott for the Jaguars, rookie. Ground and Pound, Plow for the Jets. Powell, I'm sorry about that. McDonald, 49ers, rookie mini. Charles, Chiefs. Richardson, Rams. And Tavares King for the Broncos, rookie. As you know, we'll take about the same amount of time as the break takes for it to upload onto my YouTube account. They have to review it. Right after that, I will send you guys that have already paid your links to this break so you can see. And I will ship out your cards. Okafor, Cardinals, rookie. Alex Smith, Chiefs. Jordan, Dolphins, rookie. Aaron Rodgers, Packers, aerial attack. You got a mini Stevie Brown, New York Giants, blue bordered. Niles Davis, Chiefs, rookie. Torrey Smith, Ravens, and Marcus Lattimore, San Francisco 49ers, rookie card. Guaranteed at least 3 autographs in here. I actually pulled that Bengals autograph last night. Was the black bordered. Was sequentially numbered 3 out of 5, so whoever got that card, it's a nice pull. Jones Drew for the Jaguars. We got that Matt Taiteo hit too the other night. Jones, Packers, rookie. Bolden, Niners. Ground and Pound, McCoy, Eagles. Blackborder, Thompson, Redskins, rookie. Shorts, Jaguars. Wagner, Seahawks, and Gresham, Bengals. About a third of the way done with the first box. Corey, Kobe Hamilton, Bengals, rookie. Ryan, Falcons. Green, Bengals, AJ Green. Joe Thomas, Browns. You got a mini Mike Williams for the Buccaneers. We got Joe Montana for the 49ers. We have a Jameson Redskins rookie card. And a Vincent Jackson Buccaneers card. Love to see a booklet. Have yet to pull one from this yet, from the Magic, but this isn't that many cases out yet. Poyer, Eagles, rookie. Luzerkin, Rams, rookie. Do have something here. Oh, I know what that is. That's a redemption card. That's going to be a hit right there. Staley, 49ers. Oh, that's exciting, I hope. Falk, Rams, really exciting. Howie Long, Raiders. That's going to be exciting. Deion Sanders, Falcons. And what the redemption card goes to. Okay, it's a Magic autograph of Webster. Kayvon Webster. 10. I'm going to have to double check to see what team that goes to. If you know who it is, then you know what team it is. I'm not too familiar with this player. So before the break ends, I'll check it up and I'll let know whatever team that goes to go to. It's just a redemption. Yeah? We'll do it at the recap anyway, because I'm going to look up the team, okay? Good? I love those, though. That would have been sick if it was an actual booklet, though. Redemption for a 1-1 or out of 5 or whatever. Yeah. I guess that he must be. I don't know if he's a rookie or not, but normally they do that. I guess they just didn't have the cards printed out, or it's a really good card. Rhodes, Vikings, rookie. Werner, Colts, rookie. Rookie enrichment, Dobson, wide receiver for the Patriots. Aerial attack, Manning, Giants. Got a mini Barner, Panthers, rookie. We got a Nagata, Ravens, and we got a Gillislee, Dolphins, rookie. Dan Marino, Dolphins. Those redemption cards look just like they did last year in the 2012 Magic. Probably the year before that too, but I at least know last year they were the same exact color, everything. Font, the whole thing, same exact thing. Just different players, of course. Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Patterson, Vikings, rookie. Yeah, he's in the top 5, top 10. Ogletree, Rams, rookie. Him too. Jared Allen, Vikings. Got a mini Patrick Willis for the 49ers. Brett Favre for the Green Bay Packers. Terrell Davis for the Denver Broncos. And Eric Dickerson for the Rams. Webster. Is that the cornerback or no? Who's that? Is it a wide receiver? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Davis, Jets, rookie. Montgomery, Texans, rookie. Antonio Gates, Chargers. Jay Cutler, Bears. Mini, Josh Freeman, Vikings. DeMarco Murray, Cowboys. Bush, Lions. And Jarvis Jones, Steelers, rookie. No bark. Be good girl. No bark. Good girl. Who's a good girl?
Sit down. Sit down.
She's alright. She's cool. She should. Thomas, Saints rookie. Pryor, Jaguars, rookie. Got another hit in here. If you can see it, but not who it is yet. Slow roll it. Giants, ground and pound, David Wilson. Peppers, Bears, mini. Green Ellis, Bengals. Vaccaro, Saints, excellent rookie. And Reese for the Raiders. And the hit goes to 49ers, DJ Harper, rookie card. That's a nice hit too. Got it? So we got one redemption and we got one autograph for the 49ers. At least I'm not sure where that other guy is. Webster. Jones again, Steelers, rookie. Richardson, Jets, rookie. Bernard, Bengals, rookie, running back. RG3, aerial attack, Redskins. There's some Redskins. AJ Green, Bengals, mini. Burkhead, Bengals, rookie. White, Falcons. And another Bengal, Andy Dalton. Ray Rice for the Ravens. Tyler Wilson, Raiders, quarterback. Johnson, Chiefs, rookie. Patterson, Vikings, rookie, the mini one. I don't know what else to call them yet. I prefer to call them the minis. I don't know what they are though. Thompson, Redskins, mini, rookie. For the, Redskins. Huh. Amendola, Patriots. Richardson, Colts. Again, in a little bit at least, so they can see the card.
Yes.
Curly, Jets. Peyton Manning, Broncos. That was a close game in the Super Bowl, though, wasn't it? Seahawks just barely got over on them on that one. Yeah. Greg Bills, rookie. Rookie in Richmond. Eric Reed, 49ers. Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. The mini is Jesse Williams, Seahawks rookie card. John Elway for the Broncos. Jordan Reed, Redskins rookie card. And Gronkowski, Patriots. Almost 2/3 of the way done through the first box. Oh, here we go. He's on the Broncos. So that redemption for Kayvon Webster is a Bronco rookie. So you got that card too for the Broncos. Jenkins, Saints, rookie. Dobson, Patriots, rookie. Jim Kelly, Bills. Kobe Hamilton, Bengals, rookie mini. Green border. Miller, Dolphins. Hartline, Dolphins. Killed my fantasy league. Williams, Colts, rookie. So we got at least 2 of the 3, guaranteed autos. But I'm pretty sure we can pull out something better than that. More than that, I mean. Tavon Austin for the Rams, a rookie. Ryan Nassib, Giants, rookie. Michael, Seahawks, rookie. Aerial attack, Ryan Tannehill, Dolphins. Got a Hopkins, Texans, rookie mini. Williams, Buccaneers. You got Graham for the Saints, and we got Laurinaitis for the Rams. Last third of the first box. Sharif Floyd for the Vikings, rookie. Williams, Bengals, rookie. Rookie in Richmond, Jones. Steelers. Julio Jones. Falcons. Mini Swope for the Cardinals. Rookie. Rambo rookie. Redskins for Rambo. Kenny Stills, rookie for the Saints. And LT, Lawrence Taylor for the Giants. RG3, Redskins. Some Redskins here tonight. Forte, Bears. McCoy, Eagles. Blackman, Jaguars. Selleck, Eagles, mini. Some Eagles too. Robinson, Jaguars. Rookie. Pierre Paul, Giants. A lot of Giants. A lot of Redskins too. Rakpo, Redskins. I know what's coming in this one, I already know. It's got to. Wow, a lot of Redskins. Thompson, Redskins, rookie. Eddie Lacy, Packers, rookie. Sims, Dolphins, rookie. Britt, Tennessee Titans. The mini is Monte Ball, Broncos, rookie. Green border, I guess it is. Randall Cunningham for the Eagles. Jonathan Dwyer for the Steelers. And Shane Vereen for the Patriots. Just about through the first box. And then I'll upload it. And again, it takes about the same amount of time as the break takes for YouTube to get it on there. And then I will immediately send you all your links to all of you that have paid so far. Bray, Chiefs, rookie card. Mateo, Arizona Cardinals, rookie card. Rookie in Richmond, Matt Seo for the Chargers. It's a nice little card. Jay Cutler, Bears, aerial attack. Heartline, Dolphins, mini. Vic, Eagles. Vernon, Raiders, rookie. And Alshon Jeffrey, Bears. Get at least two more autos or auto relics or football. Come on, anything. Let's see. Zach Ertz, Eagles, rookie card. Brother. Graham, Texans, rookie card. Trufant, Falcons, rookie card. Some good rookies right there. Megatron, Lions, Johnson Jr., little mini. And James Jones, Packers, mini. Doug Martin, Bucks, Buccaneers. Keem Nicks, Giants, a lot of Giants. And Bowman, 49ers. Oh, should be something in here, I think. Feels like, well, thought it felt a little thicker, but we'll see. Here we go. Seahawks. Williams, rookie card. Glennon, Buccaneers, rookie card. I knew there was something in here. Wow, another one? That's nice. Peppers, Bears. Ryan Matthews, Chargers. We got Tompkins, yeah, that's a Patriots rookie. Haven't seen too many of those here. Allen, Raiders. And Cobb for the Packers. And the hit goes to, looks like an autograph for Alex Okafor for the Cardinals, rookie. Alex Okafor for the Cardinals, autograph. So that's at least 3. Normally when they get a redemption in there's normally another hit, so let's find out. One of those mini red ones would be nice. Ace Sanders, Jaguars, rookie. Williams, Cowboys, rookie. Bailey, Rams, rookie. Flacco, Ravens, aerial attack. Graham, Texans, rookie. Harper, 49ers, rookie. Tate, Seahawks. And Patton, 49ers, rookie card. Okay, we got 1 pack left in the first box. Okay, the time. Great. Really? Come on, let's get some hit. Let's get one more hit out of here, guys. What do you think? Green, Bears, rookie. Come on now. Luck, Colts. Alright, maybe the mini. Smith, Panthers. Ground and Pound, Gore, 49ers. Mini, Heath Miller, Steelers. I don't mean to be going so fast. It's just I know these breaks take a little while to upload it. Spiller for the Bills. Gordon for the Browns. And Bo Jackson for the Raiders. Okay guys, that's the first box of the 2-box break. We'll do a recap after the break of all the major hits. So, let's get to the second box. Second box. Good luck, guys. Rice, Ravens. Wilson, Raiders, rookie. Johnson, Chiefs, rookie. Rodgers, Packers. Got a mini Stan Lee for the Cowboys. Bowman, 49ers. Rambo again for the Redskins, rookie. And Kenny Stills again for the Saints, rookie. Both great players. What was that? On the Patriots, I heard that, who went to the Patriots today? Darrelle Revis. Signed a year with them, I believe. Peyton Manning, Broncos. Greg, Bills, rookie. Webster, there it is again, Broncos, rookie. Ahmad Bradshaw for the Colts. Robinson, Jaguars, rookie, mini. We got another Lawrence Taylor for the Giants. Got another Tompkins, Patriots, rookie. And a Marcus Allen for the Raiders. I know it's late, if anyone that's in this break, if you think maybe I should do it an hour earlier, if that would be more convenient for you, or anybody else here, just let me know, okay? Or if this is alright how it is. Jenkins, Saints, rookie. Just send me a message. Dobson, Patriots, rookie. There's a hit. Oh, that is. Jaguars, Ground and Pound. Has to be Jones-Drew. Mini of Sam Bradford for the Rams. Randall Cobb, Packers. Harper, San Francisco, 49ers, rookie card. And Golden Tate for the Seahawks. Golden Tate for the Seahawks. And the hit goes to the Vikings. Xavier Rhodes, cornerback, rookie card. Good. Alrighty. So that's a good hit there. It's a decent hit right there. I like the autographs. The Scrunchy Lumber ones are better, of course. Tavon Austin, Rams, rookie card. Nassib again, Giants, rookie card. Michael again, Seahawks, rookie card. Matt Ryan again for the Falcons, aerial attack. Vaccaro, mini this time, for the Saints, rookie card. This is a rookie pack, huh? Quentin Patton, 49ers, rookie card, mostly. No, CJ Spiller, Bills, and Josh Gordon for the Browns. MJD, Jaguars. Jones, Packers, rookie. Bolden, 49ers. The mini Lawrence Taylor, Lawrence Taylor, Giants. And you got a Cyprin, Jaguars, rookie, mini. Brett Favre, Packers. Terrell Davis, Broncos. And Eric Dickerson, Rams. That's 3 old players. Not old, but, you know, not playing anymore. Hall of Famers. Hamilton, Bengals, rookie card. Matt Ryan, Falcons. Rookie in Richmond. Ogletree for the Rams. They got several good rookies on there, huh? Smith, 49ers. Desmond Trufant for the Falcons, rookie card mini. He's got potential as well. DeMarco Murray, Cowboys, and Reggie Bush for the Lions, and Jones again, Steelers, rookie. AJ Green, Bengals. Look. Poyer, Eagles, rookie card. Pulled an autograph for his last night, I believe. Lutzenreichen, Rams, rookie. Johnson, Texans. Got a mini Johnson, Dennis Johnson from the Texans, rookie. Mini. Green Ellis, Bengals. Another Vaccaro, Saints, rookie. And Marcel Reese for the Raiders. 1 pack shy of 1/3 through the second box. I know it's late. I'll do my best to get through this as quickly as possible. And along the way, picking up some nice hits for everybody. Rhodes, Vikings, rookie. Werner, Colts, rookie. Varner, Panthers, rookie. RG3, Redskins, aerial attack. Another mini Monte Ball, rookie. Denver, Broncos. Burkhead, Bengals, rookie. White, Falcons, and Dalton, Bengals. A lot of Bengals too here. This one's coming open. Something in this one, maybe. Maybe a dual, triple, 6 autograph. Williams, Cowboys, rookie. Bailey, Rams, rookie. Green, Bears, rookie. Manning, New York Giants, aerial attack. Oh, here we are, there's something. Nice little 16 out of 50, Marcus Allen for the Raiders, red bordered mini. Get the sequential number up top left. We'll get it to recap anyway. You got it? Alright. So, I call that another hit, obviously. Nagata, Ravens. Gillislee, Dolphins, rookie. And Dan Marino, Dolphins. Alright, so that's an extra hit so far. Something in here too? I think so. I hope so. I really do. I hope something's in here. Darren McFadden, Raiders. E.J. Manuel, Bills, rookie card. Woods, Bills, rookie card. Brown, Steelers. You got a mini McDonald, Niners, rookie. John Elway, Broncos. Jordan Reed, Redskins, rookie. Again. And again, Rob Gronkowski, Patriots. Buckner, Cardinals, rookie. Barkley, Eagles, rookie. Rodgers, Colts, rookie. Ground and Pound, McFadden, Raiders. Black bordered, Richardson, Ram, mini. Amendola, Patriots. Richardson, Colts. And Curley, Jets. Smith, Vikings, rookie. Scott, Jaguars, rookie. Oh, yep, got another one in here. Somebody be interested. Oh, that's a nice one coming up. Foster, Texans. Mini of Jay Cutler, Bears. Lamar Miller, Dolphins. Another Dolphin, Heartline. And Williams, Colts, rookie. And this hit goes to. This autograph goes to. Oh, what a black border for you, buddy. For the Rams, Ogletree. For the Rams, Ogletree, rookie. For the Rams. That's a nice little hit there, too. That's a really good hit for, autograph. We just want to get those black bordered and red bordered, right? Out of 5, out of 1, 1 out of 1. That'd be beautiful. I just feel so big. Okay. How to order the cards. Alright, Okafor, there you go, for the Cardinals. Rookie. Oh, that was Ogletree, I'm sorry. Smith for the Chiefs. Rookie in Richmond. Marcus Wheaton for the Steelers. Ryan Tannehill for the Dolphins. Aerial attack. You got a Hamilton again. Bengals, mini. We got Williams again for the Buccaneers. Graham again for the Saints. And Laurinaitis, this is Rams. Almost 2/3 of the way done through the second box of this 2-box break. I will be having another one tomorrow at the same time. Same time tomorrow. Jordan, Dolphins, rookie. Zach Ertz, Eagles, rookie. Trufant, Falcons, rookie. Roethlisberger, Steelers. Minium, Luke Kuechly for the Panthers. We know where he is. Pretty good. Pretty good. Linebacker. Shorts, Jaguars. Pretty good linebacker. Bobby Wagner for the Seahawks. And Gresham, again, for the Bengals. We got Graham for the Texans, rookie. Floyd for the Vikings, rookie. Williams for the Bengals, rookie. Pierce for the Ravens. You got a mini Marcus Wheaton, Steelers, rookie. Joe Montana, 49ers. Jameson, Redskins, a lot of them too, rookie. I think I've said that already. Vincent Jackson for the Buccaneers. Seahawks, Williams, rookie. Glennon, Buccaneers, rookie. Ace Sanders, Jaguars, rookie. Ray Rice, Ravens, ground and pound. Mini, Poyer, Eagles, rookie, green bordered. Marshall Faulk for the Rams. Howie Long for the Raiders. And Deion Sanders for the Falcons. See, there. I want to see some of those Hall of Famers on autographs, huh? They got them in this set? Nah, I think it's all the rookies for the most part. Might have one or two. Alright, Luck, Colts. Smith, Panthers. RG3, Redskins. The mini Matt Taiteo, Chargers, rookie. That's one of the better ones. Bradford, green for the Rams, mini. Marshawn Lynch, Seattle. So they're starting to come out too now. Miller, Steelers. And for the Titans, another Warren Moon. Alright, last third of the box this box of the 2-box break tonight, guys. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna pull you guys some hits non-stop. That's what I want to do. It's, what I really want to do. Forte, Bears. LaShawn McCoy, Eagles. Rookie enrichment, Patterson. Corline Patterson for the Vikings. Incredible player. Whedon for the Browns. Incredible rookie, I should say. Scott for the Jaguars, mini rookie. Johnson for the Bills. And Mikel LaShaw for the Lions, and Gibbons for the Rams. Redskins, Thompson, rookie card. Eddie Lacy, Green Bay Packers, rookie. We got another redemption card in here. That's 2 redemptions. I'm hoping this one's, oh boy, here we go. Pettigrew, Lions. I'm excited about seeing what that is in a second here. Brown, Steelers, mini. Pull out that booklet. Charles, Chiefs. Richardson, Rams. King, Broncos, rookie. And try to give you guys something really good here. Something more than just common autograph. Hey, a Jordan Reed autograph though. Okay, Jordan Reed for the Redskins. Autograph. A magic autograph of Jordan Reed. I do believe he is on the Redskins. I'm almost positive. That's 2 redemptions right there. Let's get some more. Every pack, hit after hit. Hit after hit for you guys. See you guys happy, get some really good cards. If you're not happy, I'm not happy. And then nobody's happy, and that just doesn't work out. Sims, Dolphins, rookie. Bray, Chiefs, rookie. Mateo, Cardinals, rookie. Rodgers, Packers, aerial attack. A mini, Warren Moon, Titans. Davis, Chiefs, rookie. Smith for the Ravens. And Lattimore, 49ers, rookie. We got a few packs to open right after this. After this break is complete. Let's see if we can pull you some more sequentially numbered cards, or better. Or great autographs. Frank Gore, 49ers. We got Johnson for the Titans. Stephon Taylor, Cardinals, rookie. Ground and Pound, Wilson, Giants. Jones, Steelers, mini, rookie. Doug Martin, Buccaneers. Hakeem Nicks, Giants. And for the Redskins, another Rambo rookie card. A lot of rookies, a lot of good rookies for every team actually. That's one thing about this here, the Topps Magic. It is stuffed with rookies. So getting those autographed rookies and numbered rookies are, worth some money. I know that. It's just fun to pull them anyway. Manning for the Giants. Hayden for the Raiders, rookie. Adrian Peterson for the Vikings. Out of the whole case, that's the second Adrian Peterson comment I pulled. This is the first Brandon Marshall, I think, for the Bears. No, not the first. Zach Dysert from the Broncos, rookie mini. Bowman for the 49ers. Stills, rookie, Saints. And LT again for the Giants. We got 2 packs to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 autographs already. We need more than that. Come on. Let's get at least another 1 or 2 hits out of here. Something nice, something sweet. Something for you guys. Come on. Allen, Chargers, rookie. Ooh, ooh. Michaela, Bengals, rookie. Wetzel, Raiders, rookie. Leffel, Panthers. Goodwin, Bills, rookie, mini, green, parallel. Tompkins, again, Patriots, rookie. Marcus Allen for the Raiders. Randall Cobb for the Green Bay Packers. Last pack, guys. I hope there's something big in here. I really do. I really, really do. And right after I finish this one right here, we'll do a quick recap of the of all the hits. And I will get you that link once it is uploaded. And once YouTube clears it. For the Chiefs, Fisher, rookie. We got Hankins for the Giants, rookie. Rookie in Richmond, Glennon for the Buccaneers. That's a nice one. Flacco, Ravens, aerial attack. Mini, Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Chris Harper, San Francisco 49ers rookie card. We got another Golden Tate for the Seattle Seahawks. And another Patton rookie card for San Francisco 49ers. Here, let me just grab these here, these hits that we got. I think we got, what, 7 of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 of these. 5, 6, 7, yeah. Okay, so let's do a quick recap, starting with the mini here of Marcus Allen, numbered 16 out of 50 on the red border. You get the number at the top left, I believe it is. Put it up like that. Is that good? You got it? Alright, I'm going to put them right there. So we just go. And here we go. Here's the hit for the 49ers. It's a DJ Harper rookie card autograph. Good? Doesn't have the numbers on them, so. This one, Alec Ogletree for the Rams rookie card autograph. Here's another, well, they're all rookies. That's what I love about this set. Xavier Rhodes for the Vikings, rookie. And another rookie, Alex Okafor, again, for the Cardinals, rookie, autograph. Got it? And then we got 2 left here. These 2 redemption cards. One of Jordan Reed, who is from the Redskins, I do believe. I'll double check on that. No, he is from the Redskins. Pretty sure. Magic autograph. You're due to receive that. I'll send you this card. And on the back, there's a, where you scratch it off, I guess you put the code in online and they'll mail it to you. And I'll tell you right now, it may take a little while though. But you got until the end of next year to get it done. No, 2016, okay. And this one, was it Kayvon Webster? Kayvon Webster. Also, for the autographs. Okay, and as you can see, I'll be having another break tomorrow, a 2-box break. And thank you all for coming. I hope I pulled, you guys some hits. I know I pulled some good hits here. Okay, I wish you guys all a good night, and I will see you soon. Take care. Goodbye.